guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang. We're going to be eating. What are we going to be eating, Ashley?
Whataburger. It's right here anyways.
Where?
Right here, Whataburger.
Where?
Right here.
I don't see it.
Oh my gosh, you're just playing with me.
No, I seriously don't.
It's right there. It says Whataburger.
Yo miro el Walmart. It says Walmart.
Kimberly, look.
Oh.
My gosh, the words were right there.
Oh, I see it.
Me and then we're gonna do it. I was just like, do it with me.
Do it with me.
Where?
Our duet.
You're so dumb. Why were you so unfocused?
I don't know.
That lady was just like, girl, you gonna go or not?
Guys, I was so unfocused that this lady,
She honked at us.
she honked at us because
We caught that in camera.
It's because I was dancing. Mala, esa gente mala.
¿Qué vas a agarrar?
Aquí en Estados Unidos la gente es
Salted
muy
caramel
mala.
shake
Right, Ashley?
on you and here for a limited time.
Ashley.
What are you gonna get though? You don't know what to get.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get the double bacon cheeseburger. No, the double number. Hold on, start over. Bacon and cheese Whataburger. Shake.
Can I get a number 5? Yes. Oh, no onions on that, please.
Or mustard.
Or mustard. And can I get a number 10? Can I get a vanilla shake? Thank you. It's expensive. Whataburger is expensive.
How
You
much was it?
expensive,
How
Ashley.
much was it?
It was 18 something.
Girl, we spent that in McDonald's and we spent that in In-N-Out.
Sí, pero there was
For
more
two of
than
us.
2 people. You expensive. I'm not bringing you anymore.
Okay, no more mukbangs for me, guys.
No more mukbang.
Oh my god, this lighting is so bad. Like, the lighting better is over there.
We're so bad people, Ashley. Like, we made the people wait like 2 minutes.
You made the people want. I already knew what I wanted.
Tú ni sabías que querías tampoco.
I can see I said I want mine to bacon. I love bacon.
Oh, snap.
What?
The chicken sandwich doesn't come with mustard, right? I need to tell him. I don't want no mustard.
Alright, I was gonna do it with Darren.
We're about to get copyrighted with this music.
Girl, when we had that party, they put this song on and Mommy Tree started twerking. Well, she didn't start twerking, but
Yeah, I
some kind of twerking.
This is Carly's song. Carly, she gets crazy.
La cosa suena rap. Scooby-Doo, pa, pa.
Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suave, bésame, suave,
Okay.
Oh, put a link. I have to tell them that I don't want a mustard. Antes que me hagan mi chicken sandwich with mustard.
It's hot outside, guys.
You sounded like Sean.
Sean? Who sounded?
Sean.
Who sounded like that?
Hey, do you know if the chicken sandwich meal comes with mustard? Because I didn't want any mustard. Yeah. Es que le iba a decir, pero he was too busy. No, okay, that's fine. Wait, ¿nos iba a dar?
Wait, we need another one.
Another what?
Another
Straw?
straw.
Porque todavía no me están sus drinks. Thank you. Let's just spray.
Girl, this thing is gonna.
Thank you. Ashley.
I think it's gonna overfill. Is that it? Oh no, our food.
Move the shake over there. Ya parezco la chita, ¿verdad? This is expensive. I'm not coming to Whataburger anymore.
He said, ma'am.
They're mean. They have bad customer service.
Him. He's mean.
No, también el otro guy, like, I was gonna tell him that I don't want any mustard, but he was taking somebody else's order, and I don't want to be rude. So I decided not to be rude.
We're no rude people. We don't like a rude sister.
I like a rude sister. Oh, yes, please.
Ranch.
And ranch. Yeah. Thank you.
Yay, water.
Como quiera, no nos vamos a ir. So if y'all didn't get our order right,
Oh
We're
my
not-
god. Whataburger.
what?
If you live in Texas, you know.
You know that it's really good. Guys, I know that a lot of y'all have been asking us to do a Whataburger, and we're finally doing it. If you don't live in Texas, oh yeah, if you don't live in Texas and you're coming for a visit, make sure you stop by Whataburger because
sure.
it's really good.
And we got sausage.
And their fries are so good.
hooked us up with ranch.
Their fries, one of the best fries you will ever taste.
Yes. Wait, who do you consider being the best fries?
Best fries? McDonald's.
Yeah, obviously. But after McDonald's, yeah, we got some good ass.
And hopefully you like our mukbangs because we love doing mukbangs.
Wait, I moved too much, girl. I'm moving too much.
I know. They can't even see you.
Okay,
Anyway,
let's show 'em. Here's mine.
so we got our little fries right here. Our little fries.
When I am empty, please dispose of me properly. Yeah.
So what I got was the chicken sandwich.
Girl.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
That looks so good.
This looks amazing.
Guess what I got? I got the bacon cheeseburger with no
Ooh.
onions.
Ooh.
It looks so good, but
Show them.
Did they put my bacon?
Mmm. That looks
I
so
don't like-
good.
I don't like tomatoes, but I'll eat it.
I'm so hungry. Oh, we
Me
also
too.
got a shake.
Oh,
Actually,
yeah.
show me the shake.
Shake. We're gonna try, and every fast food we go to, we're gonna try the dipping in the
Shakes.
fries.
Yeah, and we're going to be
Let's say shake.
and we're going to say which shake was the best.
Yes.
Right now, I think all the shakes taste the same.
Yeah. But In-N-Out is really good. This one tastes the same as In-N-Out.
And I got a Powerade,
And I got a Sprite.
and Ashley got a Sprite.
I should have got a Powerade, but today's Sunday. Today's
Okay,
cheat
guys,
day.
we gotta eat fast because we have somewhere to be. Look at this. Oh, look, guys, it has this sauce. Oh, that looks so good. Look at this.
Where?
Look at this. Oh,
Oh.
Dios mío. Can you see that? It's not focusing, guys. This camera gets on my nerves because it
It
never
does.
focuses.
My ranch. Y'all always know. I gotta have my ranch.
Okay, I'm ready to taste this.
And my burger. Oh my gosh, I don't want to eat the tomatoes. I'm just
Mmm.
I don't like tomatoes.
So good. So
I'm
good.
gonna just keep one. Oh, you know they have the spicy ketchup too. We should have ordered it. And we should have gotten it.
The spicy ketchup?
Yeah, they have spicy ketchup too.
Mm. Hopefully, it's not blurry. It really gets on my nerves. when
Okay,
it's
let me
blurry.
dip in a ranch. My burger didn't fit.
Wait, can I have some ketchup? Oh. And my little ketchup. It's not blurry, right, Ashley?
I look like a little girl eating.
Okay.
I got it all over me. So, Kimberly, ya como nuestro name is Las Chismosas, what are we gonna talk about?
Talk about the incident yesterday.
Oh!
Guys, guess what happened to us yesterday? If you
That
don't
was
watch the rest of
scary.
our videos and you only watch the mukbangs, something crazy happened.
It was really crazy.
Like, really crazy. I should tell them because
Okay.
this is your story. This is actually a story. She tells it to everybody.
You told it to everybody. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but you wanted to tell everybody.
Now, when I got home, I wanted to go back. But you didn't want to.
So good.
Okay. So, yesterday, if y'all don't know, we went grocery shopping for my mother. And as soon as, I drove over there because I'm starting to learn how to drive. And I'm a beginner, I guess you can say. And I was driving, and we came back, and we did a vlog, and we were recording. We were already recording. Like, we were recording the guy. And then we were on our way, and I did a turn, and Kimberly was just like, actually, there's somebody standing there. Like, he's just looking dead at us. And if y'all hadn't seen the Get Out movie, when he was just, like, when the grandma, is it grandma or the grandpa?
It's like an old man. I mean, an
Old man. He's a man.
Yeah.
It's a lady.
It's like
I don't know, both of them run. Both of them run. Let's say grandpa. There's like a part where she like runs like that, but yeah, that's what we thought he was gonna do. And Kimberly was just like, look, just look. And I was not trying to make it seem like I was looking, but I guess he saw. And when I saw him, his face was facing this way, but his eyes were at us. Like, you know, he was like this. And I was scared. So Kimberly was trying to reach up to the camera so y'all can see him, but he couldn't. And she was like, I should get the camera. And like, I asked her, I was just like, do you want me to like show him? She was just like, yeah.
This sauce
So
is too running.
It looks like the cane sauce. And I raised it up, and when I raised it up, he threw a rock at us. Kimberly was so confused. And she was like, oh my gosh, did he really just hit us? Was it him? She thought it was a car.
I don't know what happened. But, guys, so I don't really like the sauce that comes in this like, chicken sandwich. But, I mean, it's not bad.
Thank God I'm alive. What if it was a gun? And the sketchy part was that...
Ashley was so scared, guys.
The sketchy
Ashley
part...
was really scared.
I was about to know that.
He was freaking out.
Oh.
I should have been driving because
I wanted to get off.
It's so hot outside, guys. It's like really hot that like my sauce is so runny right now.
Okay, let's put this right here. Okay, let's try the fries. Yum. These are stuff. Yum. Oh my gosh. This is good.
This one's good.
But I think the In-N-Out was really good though.
Ooh, this one's really good.
Sí, por envidiosa. You threw them in my pants.
I like that. So far, this one's my favorite.
Oh, he got us another popote.
Yeah.
Oh.
He got us two. He probably thought we were on a date.
I know. Girls' day. It tastes good, but not dipping it.
For me, this one's the best. So the fries are good, but they're too salty.
Yeah, they're really salty. Oh my gosh, I'm getting dirty. Kimberly, you're over there
too.
like already like done. And I'm over here worrying about.
My sauce is so runny, guys.
It's weird how we always call them guys. Guys.
Guys, what do y'all want us to call y'all? Guys, gals, chicas,
Howdy, mates.
chicos, mates, mates.
I don't know how Steph does it by herself. Like, she gives good advice too.
I'm getting so dirty, I don't even know how. But this sauce is really runny, so I'm getting really dirty. Really dirty. You know what's good about this? That people are passing like right in front of us, but if they see us with the camera, they have to keep on going.
It's weird because none of them have looked at us. But it's so weird, like, recording here. Like, people would just stare at you like, what are they doing?
Yeah. Yeah, but actually, I don't even think you drank out of your drink.
I know. Just a couple.
But guys, quick warning: Whataburger is really expensive.
Oh, I thought you said good morning.
I said quick warning.
It's the same. Apparently, our mukbangs are weak.
Yeah, that's what I
Just
heard.
like our videos. That's what I saw. A mí me dijeron ahí por el barrio.
Por ahí, por ahí.
So, I don't know what y'all want us to do.
Mm.
Like, we're eating.
What kind of videos do you want to see? I like our vlogs. They're fun. They're fun to do.
Yeah. But our mukbangs are weak. Just like our videos.
Apparently.
Do you want to try it?
No, do you want to try mine? You want to taste so you can taste the sauce?
Okay, I want to taste it.
The sauce is not good, in my opinion. Is it good? It's not bad, but it's not good, right?
I think that's like a spicy sauce. I think it's a spicy sauce.
Mm. I don't know, but it's not good. Oh my god. We're almost done. Let us know how. Do you want us to change the way we do the mukbangs? Like, do you want us to just get like certain like extra little things or something?
I know.
Cause I don't know if y'all want us to do like different like types
No,
of
it's because
mukbangs.
our mukbangs are weak.
But like, do y'all really don't like our mukbangs? I mean,
We're gonna stop doing them.
How can
Y luego
we
van a decir que comemos la de la calle.
how can we improve them? That's a better question. ¿No crees?
Yep. Yo creo que sí. ¿Tú?
Where's the man?
I want to dip my fries.
We need to do it at the same time,
Okay.
Ashley. This is like... Yum! This
It's
is good.
mate.
Oh, good.
Hold on, I'm gonna dip my fries.
It was the only good thing from Whataburger today.
Yeah, from today though.
Okay, guys, so we're done. We're about to head home. That was not the best lunch we've had.
Yeah, I think that's the worst.
The worst meal that we
Yeah.
had. The worst mukbang.
Mukbang.
Because the food was not that great today. But the... What's it called?
The shake.
The shake was really good. Thumbs up. It was super good. And I think that's
The fries
it.
were too salty.
Yeah, the fries were too salty. My chicken sandwich had... The sauce was just too runny and it was not good. And
It was alright. Your sauce was kind of good.
I didn't like it.
It was like spicy.
What
But
about
mine was very good. I ate it raw.
Yeah, but the fries were too salty,
Yeah.
salty that my lips feel like, you know when you. Anyways, they were not great. They were too salty. But that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you like our mukbangs. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to click that notification bell so you can get notified when we post a video or when we post another mukbang.
And make sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter,
Facebook.
and we don't have a Snapchat yet because Kimberly is too lazy to make one.
Yes.
It's at One Ellie Sisters.
Yes. And I think that's it for today, guys. Remember, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.